Apple unveils new low-cost iPhone to replace SE. Apple is releasing a new low-end iPhone to replace the aging iPhone SE. Transcript: Conway Gittins. Details are out for the newest member of the iPhone family.
Apple's new iPhone 16e launch could be its most important in 2025 commentary. Apple's often neglected entry-level iPhone is getting a refresh, just as new phone buyers could use one, despite a notable price increase from the iPhone SE.
Apple unveils more affordable iPhone 16e. Apple has finally taken the wraps off of its newest iPhone, dubbed the iPhone 16e. The new smartphone is a lower-cost model, costing $599.
Levi and Korsinsky notifies Venture Global, Inc., investors of a class action lawsuit and upcoming deadline. VG, New York, New York. ACCS Newswire, February 19, 2025. If you suffered a loss on your Venture Global, Inc. at 5. NYSE VG investment and want to learn about a potential recovery under the federal securities laws, follow the link below for more information. https://zlk.com/plera-1/venture-global-inc-lawsuit-submission-form ? PRID equals 130715 and wire equals 1 or contact Joseph E. Levi Esquire.
Heidmar and MGO Global successfully complete business combination. Heidmar to commence trading under ticker HMR on the Nasdaq Capital Market tomorrow morning, February 20th, 2025.
NYSE VG investor reminder. Kessler, Topaz, Meltzer and Czech LLP reminds investors of deadline in securities fraud class action lawsuit filed against Venture Global, Inc. Radnor Pensha, February 19, 2025. Globe Newswire. The law firm of Kessler, Topaz, Meltzer and Czech LLP, www.ktmc.com, informs investors that a securities class action lawsuit has been filed against Venture Global, Inc. Venture NYSE VG on behalf of those who purchased Venture common stock pursuant and/or traceable to Venture's R.
Arista Networks Q4. Growth from Microsoft and Meta CAPEX spending. I reiterate a strong buy on Arista Networks Inc., driven by their expansion into Etherlink, AI, and security network markets, with a target price of $125 per share. Arista's 25.3% revenue growth and 21.9% adjusted operating profit growth are bolstered by Microsoft and Meta's increasing CAPEX spending, significant growth catalysts. Arista's SaaS-based network services and software now represents 17% of total revenue, reducing growth.
Microsoft unveils first-of-its-kind quantum chip. Microsoft Corp., NASDAQ, MSFT, has unveiled its first quantum computing chip, Majorana 1, marking a significant milestone in the quantum technology space. This chip is notable for being the world's first quantum processor, powered by topological qubits, which are engineered using Majorana particles.
Microsoft reveals its first quantum computing chip. Microsoft announced its first quantum computing chip, called the Majorana 1, a major advancement in the young field. The post Microsoft reveals its first quantum computing chip appeared first on Investors Business Daily.
Supermicro stock is its most overbought in a year. Here's why that's bullish. Supermicro stock has soared till it has become the most technically overbought in a year. But that hasn't deterred bulls in the past.
Should you buy, hold, or sell SMCI stock before filing deadline? Supermicro Computer, Inc.? ION's SMCI shares have bounced back strongly this year after a weak performance last year. The recent business update has boosted momentum, with investors anticipating no hiccups in the company's highly anticipated 10K filing.
Why Supermicro Computer stock rocketed higher again today? Supermicro Computer, SMCI 18.75%, stock is soaring again today. Shares were up by 17.3%. as of 2:25 p.m.
Carvana says it had a record year. Why its stock is falling anyway. Online used car sales platform reports better fourth-quarter results, but shares drop after hours.
Carvana. EPS surges past expectations. Carvana, CVNA minus 0.95%, a leading e-commerce platform for buying and selling cars, has released its earnings for the fourth quarter of 2024, detailed on February 19, 2025. A highlight of the quarter was the company's performance on key financial metrics, exceeding analyst expectations.
Carvana expects another strong year after topping fourth-quarter expectations. Carvana topped Wall Street's top and bottom line expectations for the fourth quarter, while guiding for another strong year in 2025. Carvana gave a broad 2025 guidance that includes growth in both retail units sold and adjusted EBITDA.